Welcome! This SwellPro tutorial video demonstrates the features and use of the SplashDrone 3 Plus battery charger. The SplashDrone 3 Plus uses high voltage or LIHV technology batteries. The battery charger supplied with the SplashDrone 3 Plus is designed to charge the batteries supplied with the SplashDrone 3 Plus, including the SplashDrone 3 Plus remote controller battery. Older, low-voltage lithium or LiPo batteries from older SplashDrones cannot be charged with this charger. Charging other batteries is dangerous and may cause the battery to catch fire or explode. To charge the aircraft battery, insert the power cable into the rear of the charger and into a wall socket. Insert the charging leads into the red and black output ports. Be careful to match the color of the plugs and the sockets. Then, insert the balanced charging cable into the balanced socket output. Plug the XT60 plug of the aircraft battery into the matching output charging lead, and then plug the battery's balanced charging plug into the balanced socket of the charger. The charger will detect the battery type and start a 10-second countdown to automatically start charging. If no operation is performed on the charger within 10 seconds, it'll automatically start charging at the recommended charging current based on the cells and capacity of the battery. If you're familiar with the charging current, it's possible to interrupt the automatic cycle and adjust the charging current if desired using the plus and minus buttons. If you're not sure of the charging current required for your battery, the automatic charging program is recommended. To charge the 2S battery of the remote controller, replace the 4S charging power cable with the 2S charging power cable and connect the battery's balanced charging lead to the charger's balanced socket by inserting it into the smaller socket as demonstrated. If a battery cannot be charged by the charger due to battery damage, please replace the battery. Thanks for watching.